Hi students, this is today's class. Ratio and proportion, this is exercise 7.3, full and full based on the properties. It's a very important in your board exam. Compulsory you have one question in this type. Okay, I will tell you the properties clearly. What is proportion? A by B equal to C by D. Listen ma, inferdento, we need to interchange the term. Okay, so B by A equal to D by C. This is the property of inferdento. Alternando, we need to alternate the term AD, BC. So A by C equal to B by D. That is the alternando. Next, componendo now we need to add the term. What is the proportion? A by B, we need to add plus B in numerator. So A by D equal to C plus D by D. This is the componendo. Divided term, same thing, subtraction. A minus B by B equal to C minus D by D. Next, componendo dividendo, 99% we are going to use this property. So this property is A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D. This is very important property. Next, convertendo now A by A minus B equal to C by C minus D. This is the convertendo property, and this is the one of the condition in this exercise. If A by B equal to C by D equal to E by F, then each ratio is sum of all the numerator divided by sum of all the denominator. So A plus C plus E divided by B plus D plus F. These are all the basic properties in this exercise. Here component divided is very important. Okay, shall we go to exercise sums now? Okay, this is the first sum. If A is to B, proportion C is to D, prove this true. So listen. Using this proportion, we need to prove this. What is the proportion they given? A by B equal to C by D. Using this proportion, we need to prove this. Okay, listen. Here both the term we have in terms of 2 and 5. So both the numerator and denominator can multiply by 2 by 5. So multiply this. 2A by 5B equal to 2C by 5D. Next, apply. We need, listen, addition subtraction. So we need to use the componendo and the dividendo property. That property alone have both addition and subtraction in the division form. So apply componendo and dividendo property. Using componendo dividendo property in this term. So this is 2A is the numerator, 5B is the denominator. So 2A plus 5B divided by 2A minus 5B. Here 2C plus 5D divided by 2C minus 5D. See, this is the proof. So hence proof. Okay, this is the third subdivision. All the subdivision, this proportion is the common. We need to prove this third proportion. So how we prove this? Third in the same proportion. A by B equal to C by D. Listen, this term 2A 3B. All the terms we have 2 and 3. So both the numerator and denominator can multiply by 2 by 3. So multiple by 2 by 3. So 2A by 3B equal to 2C by 3D. Next, we need to apply the componendo dividendo y, because look at the term addition subtraction. So we are going to use the componendo dividendo property. So using componendo and dividendo property, apply for this term. So 2A plus 3B divided by 2A minus 3B equal to 2C plus 3D divided by 2C minus 3D. But what we are going to prove? What we are going to prove? 2A plus 3B, 2C minus 3D. So we need to do the cross multiplication. What we are going to do here? Cross multiplication. 2A plus 3B into 2C minus 3D equal to 2C plus 3D into 2A minus 3B. Listen, this is the proof. So hence proof. Okay, this is the reverse of the first sum. Here, first sum using the proportion we proved this, but here using this condition we need to prove the proportion. So how we prove this? Listen, here what is the condition? 8A minus 5B divided by 8C minus 5D equal to 8A plus 5B divided by 8C plus 5D. Listen ma, numerator we have AB, denominator we have CD. Here numerator we have AB, denominator we have CD. But for applying the property, both numerator and denominator we need the same variable. So what can we do? We need to interchange the term. So interchange na alternative property. Interchange na alternative property. So how we alternative? 8A, listen. First you need to interchange these two. So 8C plus 5D divided by 8C minus 5D equal to here 8A plus 5B. These both only we need to interchange divided by 8A minus 5B. Next, it's in the addition subtraction form. Again we need to use the component of dividend term property for this. Using component term and dividend term property. Okay. How we use this is numerator, this total term is the denominator. So 8C plus 5D plus 8C minus 5D divided by 8C plus 5D addition. So plus 8C minus 5D. A plus B, sorry, A minus B, A minus B now. Okay, minus of 8C minus 5D equal to here 8A plus 5D plus 8A minus 5B divided by 8A plus 5B minus of 8A minus 5B. Ma, I will do the subtraction here itself. So plus into minus 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 into minus plus here also minus term, minus into minus plus term. Next plus 5D minus 5D cancel plus 8C minus 8C cancel so remaining 8 plus 8 16C divided by 5 plus 5 10D equal to here 5 plus 5B minus 5B cancel plus 8A minus 8A cancel, so 16A by 10B. So 16 10 cancel, so result C by D equal to A by B. This is the proportion. It's a proportion. So using this we need to prove the proportion. So hence prove. Fifth sum, if MA plus NB ratio B is proportion MC plus NB ratio D, we need to prove A, B, C, D or the proportion like the previous sum. So listen, first you need to arrange MA plus NB divided by B. Proportion equal MC plus ND divided by D. Next do the cross multiplication here. D into MA plus NB equal to B into MC plus ND. Do the multiplication. MDA plus NBD equal to MBC plus NBD. Next NBD cancel off. So remaining MDA equal to MBC. Here MM cancel off. So DA equal to BC. Next proportion we need to take the term. So it's a B is the multiplication of B as the division equal to C by D. So therefore A, B, C, D are in proportion. Hence proved. Okay ma, I hope you all understand this. Based on this type you have a compulsory question. I will send you the homework sum and I will send you the copy also. Copy everything in your note. I will check it in your class time. I hope you all understand this. If you have any doubt, send me in WhatsApp. Thank you.